Greetings, Mr. Peter Galetta and Barrick Gold's Tanzanian team. My name is Nisha Sarita, and today I will introduce to you a new communications plan that could assist Barrick Gold in Tanzania better deal with its current problems that stem from the incidences and allegations of human rights breaches of Tanzanian locals. In developing the communications plan, I have taken into account Hofstede's cultural dimensions. You will notice that the cultural dimensions for Barrick Gold's country of origin, Canada, and that of Tanzania are very different. Hence, very specific measures will need to be incorporated to ensure the success of the communications plan. The main objective of this communications plan is to improve the relationship between Barrick Gold and the local communities in Tanzania. Barrick Gold does not support human rights abuses and already has several support programs available. But these messages can only be successfully communicated to the locals by building a rapport with them, including Swahili-speaking people in the crisis management and communications team, respecting Tanzanian traditions and cultures, such as respecting the elders, not including women in lead roles within the team, etc., will assist with the building of the rapport and will foster a successful communication. Another major objective of this communications plan is to build mutually beneficial relationships with the Tanzanian governments, IGOs, and NGOs operating in Tanzania. Apart from fostering a fast and more targeted solution, this also transcends clarity and transparency. Officials of the Tanzanian government, IGOs, and NGOs could also be invited to be part of Barrick Gold's communications plan. This will be additionally beneficial as the hierarchical nature of the Tanzanian culture will ensure that the local communities are more accepting of Barrick Gold's messages. Finally, it is important that the global key publics are aware of Barrick Gold's positive actions in Tanzania. This can be achieved by launching a media blitz on a global scale. Focusing on Tanzania and the progress achieved will restore confidence in Barrick Gold, but will also initiate more positive and permanent solutions for Tanzanians. Tanzanians believe in morals and will further the future of Barrick Gold in the country. The success of the communication plan can be evaluated in various ways. Increased attendance at meetings, information sessions, increased support from locals and global communities, etc. will indicate the success of the communications plan. Increased support of Tanzanian government, IGOs, NGOs, etc. is also indicative of the success of the plan. I am confident that this communications plan will further the legacy of Barrick Gold in Tanzania, and I look forward to its implementation. Thank you.